A big part of learning an instrument is actually playing the instrument, experienced learning. We do so much thinking about music, learning to read notes, numbering our fingers and labeling items, that sometimes we forget to just play. And that's what this month's challenge is all about. I see my kids doing experienced learning all the time. Theirs is a beginner mentality where there are no wrong words, no wrong dance moves. They play with mimicry, accents, volume, intonation, and general gibberish.
I think I am Phantom Ba. Did you hear me say phantom?
All in the name of exploration, experience, and play. They're learning how to speak, learning to develop their own voice and tone without using real words. And I thought it'd be fun for us to do this as this month's challenge. This month, we're exploring our play and musicality by removing the right and wrong notes. There is no right way to do this. In fact, the right way to do this is by overplaying, playing too many notes. I'll be providing you with a backing track, there it is, where any white notes that you play will sound good. Again, let me re-emphasize that. Any of these notes, in any order, will be correct. Now, here are a few hints and tips, and you can find more of these in the Beyond the Basics lessons over on accordionlove.com. Try limiting yourself to playing each note just once and see what you can come up with. Try limiting yourself to just 4 notes and see what you can come up with. Try limiting yourself to just 2 notes, but allow for repetition. This is a fun one. Try playing without stopping yourself. There's a similar exercise in creative writing where you don't stop writing for 2 minutes. Try doing the same with your keyboard. Don't stop even if your body wants to. Keep going for 30 seconds at the same tempo. Use trills, use ornaments, use semitones, anything to enhance your sound. Post your results over on the Accordion Love Monthly Challenge forum. See how others do it too. Have fun, experiment. Accordion Love members do this 6 times in a year, and I'll send you an exclusive Accordion Love t-shirt or sweatshirt or tank top free of charge. Sign up for a free 3-day trial to start playing accordion from the heart.